This is why I wanted you to have the camera. Let him do what's good if you're dead. My fault. A, you got videotape of it. B, camera doesn't get hurt. That's not good. Where's the tree?
They're across the way. It's right in there.
That's the way to cut that.
Oh, we're almost there. Come on. We'd have given there by now if Adam hadn't decided to climb across. You were saying?
I just do that?
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.